Good morning.
Hey, good morning.
Who we got here? We got Keith, Scott, Nick, bright and early. Ooh. Good morning, Chuck. How's everybody doing today?
I'm gonna have to open up the chat here.
I just saw Keith's comment. He finally got TradingView and tired of Top Step X not having all the indicators. You know what, Keith? I think that's a great idea. I do all my analysis on TradingView. I just enter on Project X, and now with this new trade copier I'm working with Traders Post, I'm going to have that Top Step X and Project X integrated into my copier. So I'll still just be taking the trade on TradingView, and it'll go across, send a signal across everything. Yeah, so I don't know what happened here in the overnight last night, but we had this move down. These orders at 50 finally got taken on this pin here, and you can see once those orders got taken, this thing just found some support and then pulled right back through that level.
Yeah, there was a Trump comment at 17:02, I think, which was exactly when that candle happened.
That's the open of the Asian session, like the actual, like it's pre-market up until then. That's the actual open of the exchange. So I thought maybe that had something to do with it, but that would make a lot of sense.
Yeah, it wasn't even flagged as a red labeled.
He just came out and said something?
Yeah, it was just a white. Yeah, something about China though. So I'm trying to see if I can find it here. Oh, here. No, it's close. So 17:02. Oh, there it shows it. I will remove Fed Cook effective immediately. That's what it was. Trump.
Oh, he fired her. Or not fired her, but yeah, it came out that she was involved in some mortgage fraud.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so he used that to remove her from anything he can do to shake it up at the Fed, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, and then we eventually, so once we took these 50s out, which was holding the I think was just great support, we're now below this level, and we're kind of in this range again that we were in last week.
Oh yeah.
Like if you look back here on the 15-minute, we're sitting around we're below that range. We were up here last week. Now we're below here in the 64.50 area, kind of.
I think you got my screen live right now, or?
Oh,
is it? Yeah, I think so.
I do. It looks so similar to mine. I thought it was mine.
I know. I was like, whose screen is that? And then I moved the mouse. I saw it move. I was like, oh, okay.
We'll get better at this. Hopefully you aren't looking at anything crazy.
No.
But no, like I was saying, you can see here, we're above our all-time Vwap. NQ and YM are both below it, but finding support here. And so the 64.50 level is going to be interesting.
For sure. Yeah.
But yeah, other than that, anybody got any thoughts?
NQ's ripping pretty fast right now. Higher.
Yeah, NQ is way below its all-time high VWAP. So NQ is just approaching previous days New York.
Yes, it is. And Bay Area low.
YM's getting a good lift.
It's looking pretty bullish out the gate here. But
you can slow down. You can slow down, JP. It's okay. Yeah, I know it is looking. But what was the overnight range minus that move down? What is that? 60. Still a 30-point range for an overnight session. That's standard. I think 20 to 30 point range in the overnight is standard. Is kind of standard volume.
Yeah. I did. Yeah, on that down tick though, there was a lot of volume. You know, at 1655 to 1805 relative to what happens at overnight session, right? Some big volume bars down there. JP flat Friday and today. Itching to take a trade. Nice. Patience, man. Have patience.
What was that, Dave?
That was my electrolyte drink.
Oh,
I put the cup down a little too hard.
yeah. So this new trading software I'm using, I have to create lines that will be my buy and my sell and my exit. So it's
Interesting.
different for sure.
So if you want to like limit in, you got to drag your line up, sort of.
Yes. Yeah. So every time you drag your line up, it'll re-engage, like a re-trigger an order, and then you'll define in every single account you're trading how many orders you want it to do when it triggers it. So in some you can trade 1 micro, some you could trade 10 micros.
So you pre-define that?
Yeah, you predefine that on their platform.
Nice.
So right now I have in my evals 5 micros and then 3 micros in my funded.
Interesting.
So you guys, this is my second day using it. You guys are going to watch firsthand how I use it.
Is there a way to hotkey that so that you can like?
I have to find out because it's literally, I draw a line and then with that line I create an alert, and that alert is going to trigger what I need it to do. Like it. As you see me do it more, you'll start to understand what I'm trying to do.
So there's no market ordering in.
It's a market order.
It is a market order.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, we got a special guest today. Good morning,
Angel,
Nick.
And for anyone that's confused,
Good morning, sunshine.
All this
Hey,
is taught for the most part.
Nick.
How's it-
Expect to be here. What
How's
you
it
guys are
going?
on. You just go to the top section above the chat. You'll see.
Oh, we can hear Evan just yapping away in the
This
background
is
there,
the
Nick.
breakdown of how we're trading the VWAPs here. So after stream at 9, try to be that.
That's better. Ready?
Yeah.
Evan and his constant yapping.
Yeah, exactly. That's how you stay so patient. No, I don't have a batch for the day. What are you seeing?
I'm keeping my mouth shut for now. I'm thinking it's going to be a bullish day. I'm crossing my fingers it's going to be a bullish day.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
But after yesterday's close overnight, I mean, it didn't drop much.
No. Yeah, there's really nothing below us for orders. Everything's sitting above.
Yeah.
Huh.
Yeah, I see that.
Yeah, looking at a 1 hour chart, everything is pretty flat. On a 15, it's looking a little bullish.
Oh, I see here with the the higher lows. And on the 15?
Higher lows, but the highs are lower as well. So I don't know. It may be another range bound day. We'll see. Any news today?
No.
Not
I
till
got nothing.
tomorrow, right?
Yeah. I got US CB consumer confidence at 10 a.m. If that's anything.
That doesn't mean shit.
Yeah. Did durable goods do anything this morning at 8:30?
Have no idea.
Did nothing.
No.
No.
It doesn't look like it. Looks like it
Not a
dropped down
thing.
little bit, but nothing really.
How was your day yesterday, Nick?
was all right. Got on a boat, saw some baby whales jumping out of the ocean.
Nice.
Got to go snorkeling in some bioluminescent bacteria. That was interesting.
Sweet.
You feel like you're in some sort of AI animation when you're underwater looking at that stuff coming off your skin. It's weird.
Ooh.
Yeah, I've seen stuff like that before.
It's cool. I like it.
Pretty cool.
Well, Dave's a diver, professional diver, so he would know all about that stuff.
Are you really?
Yeah, I'm an instructor. Yeah.
Nice. I can't swim, so
That's kind of a
no.
base requirement for scuba diving.
Oh yeah, no. I sink like a stone when I get in the water. I can't even float.
Yeah, there's a challenge. Like part of the licensing or the testing is that you have to like do a certain amount of lengths of swim, like in a pool. But once you got your gear on, you don't even have to be a good swimmer anymore because you have a flotation, right? So, and fins. It's more about comfort level in the water, I guess.
I mean, weird shit lives under the water. I'm not really down with scuba diving. It's great. I mean, I envy people who can do things like that. Me personally, nah. The stuff that I know about that's in the water scares the hell out of me. The stuff I don't know about is even worse.
I can see that.
I'm kind of a wimp, though.
Oh, I should maybe.
Yeah, NQ is looking pretty strong, eh? All the way up to electronic value area low now.
I should enable my trader's post, Nick, before I take a trade here. Then I'll
Do
be
it up,
upset.
homie.
No, I didn't even have it. I don't have my strategy enabled. So even if I did something, it wouldn't do anything.
So both of you guys use trade copiers, right? So which one is Nick using?
I'm using Replicanto and Trader's Post.
Okay.
The only reason I'm still using the Replicanto is because I am not very experienced with the Trader's Post yet. So I want to make sure that I'm good at it before I start trading all of my accounts on that.
Yeah, it's definitely got a learning curve to it. It is more in depth than anything I use, but with that also comes the learning curve.
Yeah, and I'm a moron when it comes to tech. So anything on a computer, not good.
Well, I just got it. I took my first trade on it yesterday, so I went in last night and changed all my sizing around, and let's see how it goes. So you can see, Dave, on this white line, that's my, see how I have this alert set?
Oh, yeah.
So this white line is technically going to be my stop. It's going to be my exit. This red line would be if I want to short, and my green line would be if I want to buy.
Gotcha.
And right now I have, like, if I wanted to add in, I have it turned off. Like, it wouldn't allow me to add in, but you could just as easily turn that on. And then every time you move the green line up, it would get re-triggered, and you'd get it would add in wherever it engages the candle.
Gotcha. Since you only have one stop on there, is that for your long right now? And then if you go short to
well, this stop I can move anywhere I want.
Oh, you can?
But this is kind of what I'm thinking, right? So I just want to have that just in case, like, say I pushed the wrong button, just something happened by accident, at least then I get taken out.
Yeah. Sort of pushing out of the top of the range here as it's getting set in the next, 15 seconds?
Not a huge opening range, but I'll take it.
Yeah.
We can work with it.
We got 10 points. Long at 64.55. JP, you couldn't wait, could you? That's not a terrible price. I like that's kind of where my position is drawn, anyways.
64.55.
Keith, TradingView is having a big sale right now. If hopefully you probably got in on that if you just got it. I just saw that yesterday. It's 80% off right now. And one other cool thing with TradingView, guys, is you can just keep adding to your subscription. So if you paid for a year and then they come out with another sale, you can buy the next year at that sale price. And they'll just like right now, my TradingView has like 400 days on it before it expires.
Oh, nice.
So twice a year, they do really big sales, 80, 90% off. It's crazy. Yeah, I tell that one to everybody that's new to trading. Just get a basic TradingView subscription and kind of wait for that sale, or just pay monthly, and then just when the sale comes, just get on it.
Nice.
I pay for the entire year, and they do one at I think it's a Black Friday sale every single year.
That's the one that I've got on now, and then I just added on to it.
Yeah, I did the same thing.
So we got a range set now.
Yeah, I don't know if we're going to have a bit of a range-bound day. I like to see some strength here at the New York Vwap. I'd like to see a nice hold of it.
Looks like you're getting some people from Costa Rica watching you now.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Had a very pleasant experience looking at real estate, and real estate agent actually brought us to her house, met her husband and her kid, and yeah, so her husband's a trader. So I told him to start. Yeah, so yeah, it was interesting. He's a day trader. So I told him this morning. I sent him a message and told him to tune in and watch you guys.
Well, we got Juan coming in from Miami. He's new. Welcome, Juan. Good morning, Andrew. Oh, these are the trades I like. These first break of the opening range when you have a move like this. But
you still looking at You still looking at extended hours? Or are you on switch to regular yet?
I never do. I always stay on electronic hours.
Really?
Yeah. It's just something I've always done since the beginning. But what do you see different on just you don't want to see that electronic, the daily VWAP anymore?
No, it's, I prefer my VWAP to be New York open.
JP, I'm telling you, I said, when you said you were itching to take a trade, I said, slow down. We need to rewind this and take the actual timestamp of that.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure I said, slow down, don't take any trades.
Yeah, you said someone went long at 64.55.
Yeah, JP. There you go. We got Willie Williamson coming in from Costa Rica. What's happening?
Yeah. What's up, Willie?
Sweet.
Yeah, when we usually don't have orders below us like this and then just a level coming on, I could see this wanting to spill right over. There's just nothing to prop it up.
Yeah. Why is it so dark, though? That's a good question. I framed up a long position idea there. It wouldn't have worked at all.
Like mine?
No. I was like, oh, this overnight VWAP probably might hold.
Oh, interesting. So I didn't even... And we cut right through that overnight VWAP? Why is my... Oh, there you go. I don't like, Dave, though, how the overnight VWAP is inside the opening range low. So it's like, what did it break through, the overnight VWAP or the opening range low? If that makes sense.
What are you seeing on your book map? You got ES open or NQ?
Yes. Yes. I got some orders below at 35, and then I got orders above at 60.
Yeah, I'm not seeing
No,
those
I'm fair.
35s getting taken.
Well, they came on and they lightened up, and they look like they might start getting thicker here.
Is it icebergs or
I don't have that yet.
algos? Oh, no.
No.
Is it algos?
I can tell you right now if it's an algo.
So back in the bottom of the range here. Dow's looking pretty bearish.
No, it's not an algo.
No?
No, I got it on both mine.
Yeah, today's going to be a patience day.
Seems so.
I hope no one's in a rush.
No.
It might
Everybody
be
except JP. Christine is on vacation. She'll be back on Thursday. She's visiting Great Wolf Lodge, like a indoor water park.
Mom's not allowed to take a vacation without me.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I said. We're glad you're here, Willie. I will be making my way down to Costa Rica, hopefully, probably when Nick gets back down, probably in the new year. So we'll definitely have to hang out.
You're going to be in Mexico for the winter, right?
Yeah, we'll be in there for September, October. And see how that goes. And then next stop would be Costa Rica for a month or two.
Well, by the time you get down here, we'll probably have a place. We're looking at Uvita.
Nice. So you're
It's
looking at
still on.
buying built now?
It depends. If we can find a really good house at within the price range we want, absolutely, I'll buy a house. If not, I'll buy property and have a house built. Only issue with that is, from what I've been told by just about everybody, I'm gonna have to be a project manager if I do that, which I don't mind, but wasn't really in the plan. I don't
Yeah,
want the plumbing done. Don't want the plumbing done with duct tape and bubble gum.
Yeah. No, I had a buddy build in Mexico, and he literally same thing. Unless you're going to be a project manager, don't expect it to be done anytime soon.
Oh wow.
If only I knew somebody like a
Long
Canadian.
Did I hear that?
No.
Oh,
I said, oh yeah.
I thought you said.
No,
yeah.
I'm looking at it along here. I'm just waiting for if we get a nice close above the New York Vwap. I just feel like our overall target's going to be like point of control up higher there. Just when you look at the volume profile for like since Friday, like it's way up. It's kind of up at our marked up point of control for the day.
Let's throw you up here for a sec.
Yeah, I'll trade this guy over here real quick.
Oh, I see what you mean now. Yes. Oh.
There we go.
And there she rips.
All right.
Yeah, so we just got, I got my session volume profile. You can just scroll it back to wherever you want to like kind of cut it off. And
Yeah.
our point of control is up there. So I just feel like, and we have pretty low volume in between where we are and where that target is. So
Yeah, and NQ is looking kind of sideways as well. There's orders down at like 23,275, 23,485.
that was a real nice take of the New York there too.
Yeah, I got NQ showing orders at 23,525 too. There's a block of 50 that just came on.
Got 81 up above us. Those just came off 62. All right. Yeah, today's going to be a patience tester for me.
Yeah, I know that candle really wants us to go in long here, but that could be also what they want us to do. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Good morning,
Trade
Czar.
Mike-
Good morning, Daniel.
You trading micros or minis today?
I'm micros.
I'm a
Oh,
micro.
Yeah, I switched it over to micros too. I'm not losing a bunch of money today for no reason.
Well, I set up the accounts to trade 3 micros in my funded accounts and then 5 micros in my evals.
Oh,
So-
Very good.
I'm slowly I'm gonna probably keep my funded accounts at 3 micros and then just slowly start to increase the evals as I get up in the drawdown.
Nice.
But like I said yesterday, I just traded 1 micro and then one account I traded 2 micros just to understand how this software worked and to see how I felt in the trade.
Push them back down again. Let's see if VWAP acts as support.
Well, basically, you got VWAP and a low a day VWAP, like basically intersecting. So,
Cross your fingers. So how much hate mail did you get there, Randy?
actually, tons of positive comments, Nick.
Seriously?
Yeah, even on my Instagram, people that I don't even like I haven't interacted with before, messaged me and were like, "Great podcast! Like I loved it." Even Czar said, "Morning, guys, loved the podcast this week." Scott
Nice.
said he loved the podcast. Like lots of, it was a
Wow.
you know what it is, Nick. It's I think when we have guests like you, or if we had Dave on, like people just relate to us. Like they relate to you, right? You're just a normal dude. You're not. You're not trying to do anything crazy. You're not driving a Lambo. You're not saying, you need to do this to make $1 billion or here, trade my do this, that, or this, right? Like you're just talking about how you got where you are. Yeah, even Chuck, great podcast. Like it's for being 24, not even 24 hours out. It's already got like a great amount of views. Like it's already trending to be our best video yet.
Wow.
Nice.
I'm actually really surprised by that.
Well, I think it's just because our conversations, Nick, are just so relatable, and you can just like get into the conversation. It's like very easy.
Yeah, it's genuine. It's not rehearsed nonsense.
Not like we don't have one bit of anything rehearsed. Thomas might have a few questions. He's the moderator, and that's it. Yeah, like Chuck said, regular people breaking it down. That's all it is. Because there's so many of us out there. Like think about it. Like how many retail traders are there, and how many people are there like us? And then how many people can't afford a mentorship or can't do this and or have been ripped off and been screwed over in the past and don't, you know what I mean?
Yep. It's like what we were talking about after you were done recording the podcast. It's like all those mentors out there that are trying to sell you a course that is absolute nonsense. I saw one of them not too long ago where it's like they were charging $2,500 to learn how to draw lines on a chart.
Yeah.
Like, oh, your trend lines are aces there, buddy.
Yeah.
Love it.
Oh, I seen one where the guy's like, pay me X amount of dollars to get access to my levels, and he put his name in front of it, and it was just a volume profile, but he put his name on it instead of volume profile, and I'm like, this is a free indicator. Right? It's like, come and get so and so's levels, pay for monthly for my levels, and I was like, dude, that's fucking just a volume profile, man. Like it's a free indicator.
Wow.
Anybody can do that. Like
That's
it's
a good
that
idea.
kind of shit. That's disheartening.
There are so many people out here just like trying to take your hard-earned money.
Just because they can't get it on the charts on their own.
Yeah.
What is Senor Evan doing in this case? I always like to check in on our boy Evan and see what he's doing.
If I know Evan, and I think I do, he's probably being very patient and waiting for the best possible entry.
Yeah. He's probably going to wait for it to get out of the range.
Yeah.
And then find
Yeah,
his
this
entry
is... Unless you're micro scalping today, this is not great.
What do we got? We got 5 points to the top of the range from here.
there. I'm pretty sure Austin would have entered on that candle, though.
Yes, where it slowed down here. That's exactly
Yeah.
what I was thinking.
Why was it fighting the VWAP?
Yeah.
It just came down to the VWAP and slowed down like it was turning, like he calls it the turn.
Just
And now
busting
we're-
Austin's chops.
Now we're bouncing pretty hard.
Yeah, and then the consumer confidence news just came in. So it's
And are
actually
we
up.
co-
It's which is a
Are
good
we
thing.
confident?
Yeah, it was forecasted 96.5. It's actually 97.4. So I'm assuming that
Wow.
means just like that, like the consumer is confident in the way things are right now.
Mm.
Am I understanding that right, Nick? You're a resident news guy.
No, I'm not.
No
Well,
pressure.
Nick's
I've
a
been
resident-
I've been trying to disconnect from the news as much as humanly possible because every time I watch it, my blood pressure goes up and I want to choke somebody to death.
I love it. Love it, love it, love it.
Loader candle.
Oh, look at all those orders above.
Yeah, we got orders above on NQ as well. 23,520. He's got 53 orders on it.
This is the fourth attempt now at 64. Like, look at all these wicks, 64.57.
So NQ's like flirting at the top of that channel that it's been battling for I don't know, a couple weeks now, or a week and a half.
Oh yeah, I see that. I'm just gonna take.
Yeah, if it breaks through 58, we're gonna get one of those infamous Randy B boner candles.
Yeah, I can feel it. I can definitely feel it. Oh, I guess you guys can't.
So I
see.
should just
Here's my trading
So-
view, but this is just kind of those channels that I have set up here, and you can see like we on yesterday we broke out of it and we ended up breaking back in and we went lower. So we're just right at that, and it's funny because it lined up with value area low yesterday also. So Randy's got
You
the
see this? Dave got this made. It's an apron. Can you read it, Nick?
oh my god.
It's an apron that says boner candle on it. It's got a big boner candle.
yeah. I'm wearing it right now too.
I gotta find a way to wear it on stream. Yeah, that you can see it from my camera angle. Good morning, Ak. Ak, did you get your account set up? Everything gets straightened out for you? Ak won the giveaway last week.
I'm gonna
Nice.
if I ever hit 500 subscribers, I'm gonna definitely try to sell some merch like that.
Like the smart. Why not?
Oh,
Well, Tanner's selling the I Love Vwap shirts and doing well, I think.
Oh,
hey,
nice.
I've got one. If you go to a carnival with your kids, though, you will have teenagers walking up to you going, "Hey, what does that stand for?"
Yeah, what's VWAP?
Oh, I'm liking this more and more. I just wish we had a break of the opening range high.
Yeah.
That's the shitty part about this trade.
Be patient, Randy.
Yeah, I'm going to. But all this
So you
talk of
said-
this, like, I could see it just pumping right through that level, but I'm good. I'm good, Nick. I'm just going to relax.
Yeah.
Well, you said you were feeling a boner candle coming, so I'm just gonna throw 10 minis on right now.
Yeah, fuck. Do it. Somebody do it for us. I'm literally learning how to just take my hands off the mouse for a second, like pull it back, because it's like
Oh yeah.
I get so my fingers, I can feel it, like just like sitting on the mouse and moving the mouse around, that I get, I'd have this, at least I can be aware of it now.
Right at the top of the range
Oh,
here.
it's just playing with the top of that range.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at that, and it just sucked that right back. Awesome, Matt. Good. I'm glad you got that set up. Now let's get that sucker funded, Ak. Nina took the challenge account that she won and she got it funded.
Nina's so good.
Oh, we're blessed, man. We got some really good traders in our chat. We need to start just bringing them on, Dave, one by one.
Yeah.
Oh, just so then you can see how they trade too, right?
Get some tidbits of information.
I think that's the best way to learn is just like watching. Like you don't have to do what other people do, but just watch. Like maybe even just the way they manage their trade, you could take something away from it.
This
Yeah,
is
see?
the exciting world of trading. Sitting here and waiting.
Yeah. It's definitely a skill.
Anybody getting itchy yet and wanting to do something?
A
Don't.
few times I thought about it, yeah, and then I just kind of took a step back. So
Not right now. This is
Yeah, we're
This is
going
not
back to
sexy.
queue also. I wonder if there's like a way that you can just like count up however many candles, like 5-minute candles in a row that stay inside the range and be like, okay, well, that's it. I'm not trading today because that's too much chop.
well, Evan said,
I've
no, go ahead, Nick.
no, after you.
Oh, I was gonna say Evan said if you're like still within the range in the first hour of trading, like you haven't broken either side of the range, you shouldn't be trading. It's gonna be a rangy day.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've seen Austin trade from top of range to bottom and bottom to top. And I've done it, but I don't feel great about it when I do.
I don't love doing it with the 10-point range. If we had a 20-point
Yeah.
range or something where we had some room to move, just 10 points is not enough for me to trade from top to bottom. Like I feel like the mental capital, if you got stuck in that chop to only gain 3 points or lose 3 or 5 points, like the trade-off is not worth it. Like if anybody that got in at the New York Vwap back here at 9:53, you know, you would have taken 5 points of profit, or you'd be sitting in this for the last 15 minutes, and this could go either way right now.
I would be sitting in this still if I took that long.
You know what I mean? Like,
Yeah.
like even Keith, he wants to go long so bad right now. Just relax, Keith. We're doing this together. No FOMO.
Yeah. I had one of my best stream turnouts on Sunday, actually. I had like 9 people in there at once at one
Right
point.
on, man.
Yeah.
Oh, good for you.
Got up to like I think I have about 23 subscribers now.
Well, it'll grow. It'll watch. It'll just like that. It'll be like 100, then 150. It goes like that.
Yeah.
So let's see if we can pop out of the top of the range here.
Yeah, it'd be nice. Lots of sellers up at the 57 there. Not even really anything that specific on the book either.
No. There's just the block at 82 and the block at 6,500, but that's so damn far away. I can't even think about that. Like,
Yeah, 257 up at 80. Area.
And if you look at that 15-minute chart, there's no action whatsoever.
no.
Oh,
Well, we did make a higher high now, at least, Nick. We are progressing in the right direction.
Oh,
Higher high?
Well, like a short-term higher.
Yeah, that's true. Since
Right?
last
Like we finally broke those two previous where it was like almost looked like lower highs. We finally broke above that. We do have the gap fill up here at, where is the gap fill actually? Oh, the gap's been filled. So when you guys are looking at gap fill, are you guys looking at the 4 o'clock close? Or are you looking at the extended, what is that? You know what I mean? The
4 o'clock close.
15. 4 o'clock close is the proper gap fill, right? Like New York
Yeah.
Exchange close. Yeah, that's what I thought.
Okay.
Because some people look at that extra 15 minutes and it would be like, oh, the gap's not filled yet. Well, actually, the gap is filled.
So if you just go regular trading hours, it should show it, right?
You'll still see 15 minutes. You'll still see the 15 minutes at the end of the. I don't know why they show like that's a Globex or something. I don't know what the hell it's even called.
Oh yeah, I see that. Yeah. Looks like we're getting close to breaking the range here. Oh, what am I doing?
There you go.
Oh, look at that.
There you go.
All right, switch back to the 5.
So what do you look for on the 5 now, Nick?
Pretty.
This candle's got 4 minutes left in it.
Do we consider this a first break of the range, or do you consider the downside break also?
Well, this is the first break to the top side. So I would consider it first break of the opening range high still.
It already broke to the low.
So you just look at the one break then. See, it's so interesting how we all have.
It broke it and it came back down though. So our initial balance is set. It broke through it. It came back down. I still have nothing here.
No. Nothing to do right now. That's just more telling about the chop, if anything, right?
Well, the amount of force it took to break that opening range high and for it to come right back. Like, you know what I mean? We teased with the opening range high for the last almost the whole entire New York session so far, minus those few downturns.
This is just an evenly matched tug of war at this point.
Yes.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Just like this.
You'd want to see some follow through at some point on one side.
Yeah. So what would our be targets if we went on the downside anyways?
You don't have any.
Nothing really even down there, hey? 40, 35, 30, sort of. But they're really not much on the book.
Got 150 orders at 64.48, and it's dark under that.
Yeah. YM's really having a very inactive day right now, hey? Compared to that's a main
Yeah.
set, actually.
At least YM's holding its New York Vwap.
Yeah, it's looking pretty bullish.
More of a bullish sideways, is that a thing? Side bullish? Bull side?
Lots of higher lows though, for sure, right? Hasn't really made a higher high yet, but
Anybody besides JP take a trade yet in the chat? Are we all being responsible adults today?
attempting
Right,
to.
Nick? Nick has to ask himself every time when he's taking a trade, what would an adult do?
Then I take the pacifier out of my mouth.
I thought it'd be like, what would Evan do?
I have made that comment so many times. It's like when I get impatient, it's like, just ask yourself, what would Evan do?
Yeah. He would be patient.
I'm really glad I got him as a coach because wow.
Yeah, I didn't see the whole podcast yet, but I did see a little clip or some of it where you're saying that you felt like he was probably the best fit of the coaches for you.
Nick's hyper focused right now.
Yeah.
He's in the zone.
Mm.
Sorry Sorry about that. My video streaming just farted out because the internet in this everywhere in this country is hot garbage.
Oh. Do they have Starlink out there?
I'm sitting directly next to my Starlink,
Oh yeah.
and I mean it hurt me to buy anything that Elon Muscolini decided to put out, but it was a necessity.
Just reading some of the comments in the chat here. Scott went long at the break of the New York just before the 10 a.m. came in. He got 1 point out of it. Well, at least you managed that and you got 1 point out of it. You got it on top. So
Green is green.
Right.
I don't know who this Jose Colunga is. Still flat for me. Never heard of him. Do we know who that is?
Jose Colombia.
It's flats. It's Jose. He's always flat. That's why I said that. Nobody got the. Where's Christine when I need her? Yes. Big.
Hey,
Juan Restrepo. Who wants to do the breakdown of Bookmap?
Okay,
you're
sure.
the pro.
Yeah, so the red area that you're seeing here, like this kind of stuff, these are all orders, right? So maybe stop or buy orders that are on the book. And so we typically use those as draws of liquidity. So as you can see, it's pretty dark below. Doesn't mean the price isn't going to go lower, but usually in most cases, we're targeting the red areas as like the target for liquidity. So,
and you normally have buyers below and sellers above. So once we get to that level of liquidity, it becomes a battle between the buyers and sellers who can put orders on faster than they can be filled. Will it turn into a level of support or resistance?
Mostly I just use Bookmap for
Levels.
for levels and targets, right? So
because we don't know if those orders are buys, sells, stops. You can get a little more finite into it when you add some of the add-ons, but just the way that Dave and I have our setup, we don't know what any of those orders are. We just know that there's orders sitting there. We do know if there's a line on the number that it could be one individual, or this is, there's no line here, so there's multiple individuals.
yeah, so like if you look below this 209 here, it's pretty hard to see, but there's a couple little white lines. There's a white line right there, another white line right there. So those are like algo orders that are filling up half of those bars. So those ones can be pulled pretty easy, but that's, far away from our price. I'm not really considering those. And yeah, sometimes these red orders can act as a big wall. Also, I've used it before where it's kind of like put my stop behind one of the large orders if it's a really big order. And some people actually use those red areas as like an entry for a short, like Zach Boyajian. He would, he'd have a key area. If it's really bright and red in a key area, then he might consider, taking a short or a long off of the bounce off of those orders.
I'm thinking about getting long here.
I'm with you, Randy.
Mm-hmm.
I'm long.
Nice.
This
I'm
is the one
holding out
thing
for a
that
minute.
So kind of a 1-to-1 with a 5 points.
so I need to be
Putting
somewhere.
a limit order down at 64.50, 550.
Oh, Nick. I like that. I just like the way that we held this. So the way I have it set up, there's a stop here. Like this is a predetermined, like a backup safety stop that I have in place, kind of with this software while I use it for the first few times.
Gotcha.
It's at 15 points, but at any time I can move this line up anywhere I want, and it'll take me out of the trade, and then it will get rid of the stop order.
Hmm.
So you can
Also,
see
that stop order can work also.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Why is this?
Did you get tagged in on that order, Nick? I didn't think
Nope.
you didn't quite get there, hey?
Nope.
Couple ticks. Back at the top of the range here.
Yeah, that might have been a little bit premature. So I don't know why this is.
We're definitely, the good thing is we're above that 50, that 450 area, which is kind of pretty big line in the sand, like you're saying overnight there. That once we broke below that.
There you go, Randy.
Let's just see if we can get back above this opening range high here and kind of get a pop off it.
Yeah.
NQ's taken its previous day's New York.
Yeah, NQ's out of that range now.
Now ZS going to follow it.
Dow's kind of at the bottom of its last candle, looking fairly bullish.
Interesting. My TradeZella is. Oh, there you go. There you can see all the orders are open here. See this in TradeZella?
Oh, wow. Oh, damn.
See this in TradeZella? This is Take Profit Trader. This is Apex, and then I got to open another one for TradeZilla. So I like to see where all the. Even though I'm using a trade copier, I want to see everything in real time.
I hate to buy it here, but I'm really want to get in.
Nick, your limit didn't get picked up, did you?
Nope. I'm patient. I'll wait.
I don't like that. I want you to be in the trade right now.
Sorry, homie. It ain't happening. And it's only 1 point above my my entry, so, or my limit order. Okay, 1.5 points. 2 points. All right. Well, I missed this trade. No big deal. There'll be another one tomorrow.
Yeah, that would have been a win for sure on your strategy. Clearly. So we're starting to plow through those orders. We took the 60s, the 61s. Looking at the 62s right now. $219 orders at 62.
So I don't like holding a trade into the 10:30 candle close. Especially when you have a move up. It's just like, it's a personal thing of mine. I always felt like it wants to come back as soon as the initial balance sets.
I'm going to stick a limit order at the top of the range here. See if we can't get tagged in. Get a little pullback.
Good work, Keith. Well, you know your weaknesses and your strengths, right? So play on those.
Keith took 4 points for $100.
Nice.
That's awesome.
Yeah, it's perfect.
That's what I mean. Like if that's how there's nothing wrong with that at all. You're green. You're up $100. Like,
Yeah.
I think people fail to recognize that. They think they always need more. There's no comparing. You know, I'm up $50. You're up $100. We're both up at the end of the day. We're both green. We both took something out of the market. That's the goal, the bigger picture. Yeah, like Juan just said, guys, hit the like button. We don't do that enough.
I'm usually the one calling it out for you guys.
Yeah.
Hit that like button, guys.
Randy's too busy trading to promote himself.
That's what I'm here for, right? I'm here to trade. So.
You still in that long?
Yep.
Nice.
Looking good.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to wait for a pullback. I'm not buying it up here.
Yeah, that's my problem here too. And NQ right up at the point of control. Ripped right through. I mean, it rejected off electronic value area low a couple times and then just ripped right through both electronic value area low and value area low. Sitting at PLC now. It's a pretty nice move.
Hey, buddy, pretend you're talking to a dumbass who doesn't know anything about that. In fact, don't pretend. You are. Every time Zach starts talking, my brain turns to mush and I just drool a little bit.
SMTs and fair value gaps, and I like the fair value gaps.
One thing you got to give him credit for, he knows what he's talking about. Like whatever
he does.
He's so knowledgeable when it comes to his strategy and what he sees in the market and how he reads it. Go watch one of his YouTube videos and you'd be like, damn, like this guy's good. Like whether you're ICT or not, take that out the window. I'm just talking pure knowledge. He's a very knowledgeable guy.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the ICT bullshit. Whatever. It's all marketing gimmicks.
It's all marketing.
But Zach is very, very good at what he does. I'm too stupid to do it. I have a Vwap and candles. That's all that's on my chart.
We do have a fair value gap actually on the NQ at right at the value area low. Speaking of Zach.
Well, NQ just rejected off its previous day's point of control, so I don't mind that either. I wanted to tease around there a little bit, and then it's these kind of levels where you're going to see the pops.
I'm going to try to take this long off of that fair value gap if it works out here on NQ. It's a grindy day for sure. Oh, your desk is going up, eh?
Yeah, it's a sit-stand desk. I got to stand up.
Okay, I might be getting tapped in here on NQ.
I just did.
Damn, I put my order a little too low, I think. It did touch the top of that fair value gap. Close to my order here. Oh, geez, just missed it. That's too bad.
NQ looks great on the 15 minutes. Taking out its pre-market highs. So hopefully we can get a little push on ES now. Let's let this initial balance set. How's everybody else in the chat doing?
W. Keith, 100%. Heck yes. So this is our initial balance candle. 7:30. So.
Yep.
Yeah, I missed that pullback there by it's like 1 point, 1.5 points. On NQ's not very much.
There'll be another pullback.
Yeah.
I managed to get into it, and I think I'm up 2 ticks.
I'm up 1 tick, 2 ticks. I changed my position sizing back to ticks, guys. So Christine is going to be not happy when she comes back on Thursday.
Oh, really? Why, she doesn't like the ticks? Oh,
No.
because she likes points.
Points.
Only.
Only points.
I gotta multiply that times 4?
Yeah.
You're gonna have to start trading the Dow.
Yeah, there's no ticks, right? It's just
Yeah.
1 point to point.
That should be her. That should be her indice to trade.
Nick, is
I'm
a
gonna
handle a point or a handle a tick? That's a point, right?
It's a point. I'm gonna tell Christine when she gets back that I'm trading lean pork and oil now.
Well, we touched point of control again there on NQ.
Yeah, that was those orders at 23,550. It's kind of so they're definitely the sellers are defending that level on NQ. So we'll see if those orders can get taken now.
Yeah, there's quite a few orders at the 550s for sure. I don't know if I want to take this long anymore now. After we kind of went higher and rejected, but stick with this idea. Yeah, I'm going to take this off, actually.
I'm actually good with this.
Yeah, I think it's going to be a grinder.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave this alone for a while.
Yeah, that's why I took my order off. How can you turn off your camera for a second?
I can take you out of the chat. Where did you get it on NQ, Nick?
MES. I got in at 64.57.
You'll beat me by 2.5 points, eh? I think you got to let this thing work, even if it wants to come back down to that New York. You got to let it work.
Yeah, I've got my stop just below New York VWAP.
But the longer we sit here, you know what I mean? That this is the one thing I do like. It will, that New York VWAP will hopefully keep pulling up, and then it'll just, buy us even a little bit more room on our stop. So. How's everybody in the chat doing? Daniel still long. Keith got his one long, just marked up MNQ for my second combine.
Nice. Did I hear squealing in the background? What's happening over there?
That's not me, is it? Oh, maybe it's Miles.
Oh. Have any more fun concerts to go to?
No, nothing planned yet. Nothing planned yet. We got to actually start getting ready for Mexico. So start getting our head wrapped around what we need to take there and what we don't need to take. And I think we'll just stop at Costco in Puerto Vallarta and get all the stuff like stuff that you think you'd travel with that you could just buy for nothing there.
Miles isn't in school yet, is he?
No. This is we don't know what we're gonna do with school. What are you gonna do with school with the kids? Does your wife homeschool the kids or they?
Homeschooling is the way to go for the
Yeah,
time being. I don't want my kids to be, or I want my kids to have a social life as well. So they are going to end up going to a bilingual school. But, yeah, for
Cheers,
right
Daniel.
now.
Oh, go ahead.
Yeah, for the time being, it's homeschooling. There's a lot of online stuff that you can do.
Damn, that long would have worked there. I took it away.
Yeah, I know that. We quite don't know. I know Hillary signed Miles up for some of these Montessori programs you have here, but you have to sign up like literally the day they're born. There's a couple of really good ones you can get into, but I know Christine, her kids go to a bilingual private school in Mexico.
Well, ain't she fancy?
Well, I don't even think it's like a fancy private school. I think it's just like I don't think it's expensive at all. I think it's just like a bilingual school, but it's like a private school, I guess. Like not, I don't know how it works in Sayulita. Maybe you got to go on a bus. Maybe there's a little school there. I'll report back once I get there.
Nice.
Yeah, let me know.
Well, I've been to Sayulita before and it's beautiful, but I know I haven't been there in 12 or 13 years, and I know it's changed quite a bit. I was actually talking to a friend on the weekend that had the guy that had the place in Cabo, and he was saying if anybody's been to Cabo, you land in San Jose del Cabo, and then you drive down to Cabo San Lucas, and I forgot what the highway is called, but it's this beautiful corridor. It's like a 35-minute drive along the water, the highway. On the right, you just see beach, some really nice resorts and the ocean. It's like stunning. He's like, now it's Home Depot, Walmart, mini malls.
Yeah.
He said it's crazy. And I haven't been there in about 10 years, so I can't even imagine so I know Sayulita is nothing like that, but it's still, you imagine how much people have come in the last 10 years. Like Puerto Vallarta and Riviera Nayarit, however you say it, is just blown up.
Yeah, I've been loving Playa del Carmen. It's kind of like my one getaway place in Mexico, and it's changed so much. Like since the first time, I think the first time I went was like 2004 or something. And I've been back, like six times total or something. And it's like every year just more and more developed, more and more busy.
Just a grinder.
Meat grinder.
It's like you're banging a gong every time you do that, Dave.
Oh, sorry. I need to get some quiet coasters.
Sounds like the start of like a quiet session. Okay, so my stop is at, where's my stop? 51.50. Nick, where's your stop?
51.
I just don't love how there's really nothing below 54 and 55.
I got like bull coasters.
Oh, nice.
Fitting, hey? All right,
Yeah, it
we're
feels
sitting
like it
on the
wants
top
to
of
tip
that
over.
9 EMA right now.
I never looked at the.
But
I know a lot of people talk about the 9 and the 21 and the 200.
yeah. Yeah, that's from my just from my overall experience watching so many traders. Like a lot of them all run those 3. So that's the same reason that I'm running the 3, and they're really more indicators to like to help me decide when to get out, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's how you use them. I usually put on if I'm going to put them on, I'll put a 9, a 21, and a 65. I'll use the 9 for confirmation on, if it's going into a trend. 21 is an entry point. If it gets down to 65, then I start looking at it bouncing off of that. And I like to think of the 200 as like the Great Wall of China. It's real hard to get past the 200. If it does, you're taking a trade in that direction.
Yeah, there's a lot of respect on the 200 for sure.
But that's on swing trades. I don't do that at all on any day trades.
Gotcha.
Yeah, I think we're gonna get taken out here, Nick.
Yep, that's what it's looking like.
Yeah, ES is pushing through New York, and NQ's coming down to the top of the range.
I don't know. This might be a bounce off of New York. What's up on the Bookmap?
There's nothing really there. It found some. There's some orders coming on at 53 and 54, and it's starting to light up. So that could be. You could see them coming on just below and lighting up, like it's supporting it.
Are you guys both in ES right now?
Yeah, MES.
Okay.
NQ sitting on its previous.
What was that?
Yeah. Bounce off the previous day Vwap there.
Yeah. Well, actually, on regular trading hours, it's sitting just below it.
Dow's fallen a bit. Definitely. Sort of at the opening price.
You say it's just below it on regular trading hours, Randy?
NQ is just below its previous.
Oh, NQ. All right.
But on electronic trading hours, it was sitting on it. This is where it's like I'm starting to confuse myself.
Oh yeah, Bookmap lit up below us, but 64.40.
We can close above the value area low on NQ. I might consider jumping in along here on this 5-minute candle. We're just sitting right on it right now.
Is that all one person? Half of that's one person.
The 64.40?
Yep.
All right, what would Evan do?
Evan's in it. Evan's in it, I think.
Oh, is he really? Is he in a long?
There's a long framed up on the screen right now. That's a pretty big push on the NQ right there.
I kind of want to walk away and get a coffee. It's usually how things work for me, but having this trade copier running for the second time, I can't.
Yeah,
no doubt.
I'm just not there yet.
We just took the 23.550s and rejected a bit.
Orders came on above at 23.570 on NQ now.
Thinking about taking along here if we get another pullback down towards a value area low on NQ. Just put a little order there again. Same price that I was looking at before, basically.
Keith, how are you down $200? Which trade did you lose?
Probably
You're done.
maybe it went long. All right, I got tagged in on that order. Value area low. Just targeting point of control on NQ. If we can get a bounce here.
You and an NQ long?
Yeah.
Well, NQ rejected its point of control. So that was those orders at whatever that was. 23,550.
Yeah. So I'm kind of hoping that they're going to just pull back to value area low here and then take another run at it. Risk in 165. I might take profit at one. Actually, you know what? I'm going to do it like this. I'm going to adjust my orders around. Take off some at the point of control, leave a runner just in case. In case we want to go higher. Looking like I might get stopped out though here if this continues the way it is. Come on back, buyers. We're getting a bit of a bounce there. See another attempt at those 550s, please.
Never say please. Market don't give a shit if you're being polite.
I like to try to be polite to the market just in case it's listening.
Oh, I got you.
If those orders get tagged, I'm going to put my stop to break even.
I'm about ready to go take a nap and come back in an hour and see what happened.
Exactly. I really want to go get a coffee.
Getting close to edging my orders here.
Yeah, don't get dirty about it.
Yeah. Oh, geez. It literally edged me by a tick there. You bastard, man.
Ugh.
Are you not in the long?
I am, but it edged my take profit order.
Oh, you want out of this? You're being a pussy? Is that what you're doing?
I'm selling 4 at the point of control out of my 5.
But that's in profit, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. I thought you said break even.
No, I'll pull my stop to break even if those orders get taken.
You just can't say it out loud in front of people, JP. That's the only thing. But you know what? Let's put them on blast.
Yes, please, boner candle to the upside.
No, Nina, that's
Randy.
called patience. You're winning. What's that, Nick?
Summon the boner candle. Come on.
It's coming one way or the other. Whether it's a flaccid boner or an inverted boner or a...
Oh. Good Lord. This is just getting
5
stupid.
seconds on this candle.
Come on, man. Come on.
I feel like deer in front of the headlights right now. Can't believe those orders got edged there. So sad.
Well, now it's just floating around like in between, it's getting wedged in between its New York VWAP and the opening range high.
Yeah, I think if this breaks through New York, I'm just gonna flatten
Pull it?
everything. Yeah. Came down once, retested it twice. It's doing it again. Bookmap's not showing me anything I'm very happy about. There's orders down at 64.40, and up above us we got 64.60, but I don't have much confidence in that. Oh, we got 124 at 64.57.50.
Yeah.
And that's about it.
See if NQ can
If I
I just want to see if NQ can take a stab at those orders again at 23,550.
Yeah, that'd be beautiful.
If I can get this trade back up into profit, I'll be looking to trail this stop super aggressively.
Yeah, me too.
I don't need to be sitting in this.
Yeah, right now I'm probably down about $3,000, so
Just a little patient waiting game here. It's a Mag 7.
I do.
The NQ Bookmap kind of like lit up a little bit different there all of a sudden.
Mag 7's just rejecting off its previous day's New York. But it's above its New York VWAP. Wah, wah, wah.
Can't believe people are actually still watching us doing this.
More people than ever, too.
They're
Good
committed.
morning, Will.
Hey, Will.
Yeah,
good
this is
morning.
ridiculous. Hey, Willie, sorry I told you to tune in today instead of sometime next week. This is
I
ridiculous.
thought it was going to be fireworks.
No, I didn't expect this garbage though.
Yeah. It's Tuesday.
We're going to make that run now at those 550s. Come on.
Okay, guys, I really got to go to the washroom.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Go
me
for me
luck.
too.
Good luck. Hopefully, because he leaves, it's going to pull in Austin and just rip right up.
Oh my god, that would be great.
Seems like every time Austin walks away to go to the bathroom, it's just like, oh,
Yep.
profit target hit. Come on, boys, let's go. Yeah, the orders at 550 didn't really come back very much. Like, there's still some orders there, but it was like 190 or 180. And now there's like 60. So if we make another attempt at it here, it's definitely going to go through it. So I'm going to actually put my order on the 550 I don't think that's going to be the roadblock now. 49.25. Come on, boys, edging me again here.
Oh, I just went green a little bit.
I should have stayed out longer, shouldn't I?
Yep,
we're just
go
saying
back
that.
in there.
Yeah.
Pulling in Austin right now. There we go. I'm out of my 4 of my 5 contracts there. My stop's now break even. So closed up 118 on that trade so far. I'm going to move my take profit all the way up to the value area high now in case we get one of those Randy B candles.
There you go, Nick. Willie made $100 today. He loved it.
Nice.
He's glad he's always learning something.
All right. Good deal.
Rejected off the POC again.
No trading while you're driving. Come on now, Will.
Wait, what?
Yeah, Will said he was almost caught a short on the way home from school.
I got stopped out of my trailing, my 1 contract left. So I'm out 120 on that trade.
Yeah, I was hoping for a break of that. NQ's previous day's point of control is a real level of contention for us right now, Nick.
Yep,
Yeah.
I'm out. I'm done.
You pulled your stop up?
Yeah, I'm done. I'm not even messing around with this anymore. I'll take that $2,000 loss. Well, let's see. No, it's only $1,500.
Good for you.
That's pretty reasonable, especially when you're trading that many accounts.
Oh yeah, if that was on a single account, I'd be losing my damn mind right now.
Yeah, no doubt. Yeah. So how many accounts were you trading on that one trade?
25.
Nice. So what kind of a dollar investment did you put into how many accounts you have, Randy?
I have 31 accounts right now. I'll probably have 40 by the end of the week. I'm into them. 500, like close to 1,500.
Okay. Yeah.
So
Skill.
trade if I had a sale. $30 an account. I bought 5 of those. Apex was $37 an account. I bought 20 of those. The take profit trader ones were 100 each. One of those is funded. So.
Oh, Randy, remember if you're buying Apex accounts, use Rebecca's code for that too. You get a discount on them.
I didn't even know she had a code.
Yeah, use code Rebecca. You'll
Everywhere?
get on Apex. She has a code for Traders Post. She's got a code for
Tradeify, I know that.
Tradeify. Yeah, there's a couple of them that she has.
Does Rebecca stream?
No, oh yeah, she does with the futures desk, like with the actual
Okay.
platform.
Nice.
I have a code for Traders Post now too, Nick. So,
Well, look at you, Mr.
Yeah.
Fancy Pants.
well, I just want to use it a bit more, and then I'll start.
Start pushing it.
Yeah,
Yeah, once you get used to it.
You know
and
what?
everything,
I should honestly just start streaming or doing social media shit. So
Yeah, little more income stream, right?
I don't know if I could handle all the hate comments though. I'm not as thick-skinned as Randy. I may cry a little bit.
he'll be fine. Scott would
I'm
like to see Scott's markup there. Scott's minus 73 for the day. Didn't manage his last trade per his rules and paid for it. So definitely a conversation to be had.
Yeah. Well, hey, it could be a lot worse, right? So don't, seems like you manage your risk pretty well. But probably, obviously, that means you could have taken profit or something at some point, right?
So those orders at 48 have come off now. Is that just giving the sellers a clear path down to 40? Is that how you'd interpret that? Or you'd interpret the other way?
Hold on, let me take a look here.
I don't even really see orders at 48 on mine. Like no colors, anyways.
But you're on MES. We're on ES.
Oh yes.
Yeah, it's got nothing to bounce off of until 64.40, but it's also got less drawing it down. So watch the candles for the next few minutes and see what the reaction to that liquidity is. You should get Nick on here sometime to explain the Bookmap. That dude is good. Wow.
I've talked with him lots of times on calls about Bookmap, and it just blows my mind. It's almost
Yeah,
too
that
much
guy
information. I can't handle it.
It is, but you take what you take what you can out of it. I only use Bookmap to maybe 1/10 of its capability, if that, maybe 1% of its capability, and it helps me. But
So
there's
we're
too much to it.
Support at the electronic value area low.
On what indice?
Oh, sorry, that's MNQ. My bad. Yeah.
So the electronic value area low, Dave, is the opening range high on MNQ. So it's
Yes,
like,
exactly.
you know what I mean? It's like it could be either or.
Uh-huh.
That's the thing with levels. Like when there's,
But doesn't that just make it a stronger level?
yeah, just a confluence.
Yeah.
And it looks like we've got support at 64.55.50 on ES.
Yeah, which is basically the New York.
Which is in New York, yeah.
Yep. It's retested it on the 5-minute chart 6 times or 5 times.
I don't know. I'm to be honest, I'm just not liking this. It's looking like it wants to roll over to me, but
For sure. It's like Nick said even before. This is just a massive, just a tug of war. Even keel tug of war.
yeah.
And once the winner prevails, you're going to get a nice move, at least 10 points in one direction.
Yeah,
probably a
but
couple
I'm
more
not.
hours.
You're not taking that chance. No, I'm in the trade now. So.
Oh, I'm out.
No, I know I'm still in the trade. Like I can even pull up my
Yeah.
stop more if I want, but I'm comfortable. This is a trade I took. I knew what I was getting into. These are the things that I have to just get comfortable doing if I'm going to copy trade and be successful.
No, I dig it. I mean, you and I don't trade the same way, so
No.
I know for me it's minimizing losses.
Yeah.
And
for me, you know what? Like I don't know how to explain it. There's something about sitting in a trade and whether I get stopped out. Like just as long as I follow my rules and I trust my process, I feel a lot better about myself. And this is just like practice and discipline for me.
Gotcha.
Right? And you guys all get to watch it. I can move my stop. I could close my trade. If this thing takes a New York VWAP with any force, I'll probably close my trade even earlier. So if you look at my screen, I was willing to risk 10 points. I have my stop above that 10 points. If I don't like this, I'll even bring this up even more. But I'm just this is my idea how I can get playing out. So I'm not willing to take 10 points of loss on it. I think if we cut the New York VWAP with any strength, this thing's going to roll over.
Gotcha.
So I could even bring this up a little bit more now, kind of below this pin back here, and just keep minimizing the risk as it goes up. And then if I eventually get stopped out, I do. It's the trade I wanted to take. I got in a tad late on it. I know I did. So now all I can do is minimize my side on the loss side, but I have to see this. I have to see it for holding on to the New York VWAP as many times as it has. I have to see it cut that New York VWAP to be invalidated. If that makes sense.
And it's looking like it makes perfect sense. It's looking like it's going to hold, but
Yeah, it's holding nice.
honestly, I've already taken 1 loss today. I think I'm cutting out for the day and going to the beach.
Yeah, see, that's lovely.
I don't.
That's lovely.
I'm not liking any of the price action. The movement here is garbage. The volume isn't great, and do I really want to sit here and try and make back my loss?
No.
Well,
I'm gonna.
then-
This is one trade.
Yeah.
I'm only taking one trade in these accounts, and this trade, win or lose, I'm done. So
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, I mean, to bank back my loss, I'd have to sit here in another trade for at least 15 to 20 minutes for 2 points, 3 points.
No, I hear you.
It's not worth it.
I hear you. Like I said, if this sucker comes back into green on me, I'm trailing my stop super aggressively. And if I walk away with a couple ticks at the end of the day, I'll be okay with it. But I'm not. I'm gonna not be okay if I close the trade early and not let it. Like, you know what It's finding the balance on both sides of it.
Yeah, well, I mean, you know your win rate, you know your trading style, you and it works for you, so do what you do. It's not my trading style. I'm done for the day. I took one loss. I'm keeping it small. I'm not going on tilt, not doing anything stupid. I'm trying to act like an adult.
And that's what's going to pay the bills, Nick. And that's what is paying the bills.
I sure as shit hope so.
I made a lifestyle video actually after Friday because we had that super boner candle, and then I got out of that trade. I was up like almost 700 on the day, and then I just went fishing. So I had to make a lifestyle video of like, this is what we're trading for, right? So you can get off the desk early and go enjoy your life and have some fun.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. No, but that's the key, right? I think.
Yeah. Look at my Instagram. It's mostly like beaches and horses and mountains and shit.
Nice. Yeah.
It's not like every once in a while I'll post a trade. Like I'll post my loss today, but
I was talking to somebody on Saturday, and he's in options. Like, he's been trading options and doing well at it. And he was trying to tell me, he's like, I can't day trade. Day trading, you got to be stuck at the charts all day, and you're just this. And I was like, no,
What?
man, that's the furthest from the truth, buddy. Like, I want to be off the desk within the first 2 hours of market open.
yeah, if you're day trading and you're on the charts all day, you're losing money.
Yeah.
Yeah, and he's got an Instagram account. It's the Mustang Trader. You'll see it's on my. If you look at the latest, the trailer I just dropped for our episode, I got him tagged in there for the podcast.
Oh yeah, I got you there. I'm gonna follow you on here.
Mustang Trader.
I still haven't made my Market Butcher Instagram yet. Been lazy on that.
Well, once you get it going, let me know.
Yeah, I told James that I was putting that name on my S corp, and he gave me a lap about it. It's just
Sitting on that electronic value area low, which is top of the range on NQ. Just big bunch of orders at 23,510 there.
Yeah.
213 orders, but they look like they're a bunch of algos there too.
all right,
Yeah,
Dave,
Bobby.
Randy, I'm gonna get the
You
hell
outta here,
out of
Nick?
here and go do
Go enjoy
something
the beach,
fun
buddy.
for the rest of the day.
Go enjoy the beach. I'm gonna
Yeah.
get out of here too soon. I'm gonna have to just update you guys on this trade. I think I'm gonna just shut it down too, and I'll post a markup and we'll talk about it on Thursday. But yeah, I don't know if you want to keep streaming
Yeah.
for a bit, Dave. You can, but I'm gonna. It's my sign to take a little bit of a
Cool.
step
Yeah,
back.
I'm not in any trades, so I don't think. Yeah.
Awesome. Well, everybody, enjoy your guys' day. Great job, everybody. Getting green,
Yeah.
staying flat, even the small reds. So, well,
Thanks for having me on again.
100% rinse and repeat on Thursday, and I will probably get tagged out here as I see these. We take the New York Vwap, and you can see the orders flashing on.
Oh, yeah.
So, but anyways, enjoy the day, guys. We'll chat
Okay,
later.
Thanks.
All right, talk
See
to you
guys.
later.
Yeah.